Hi, welcome to my channel. Please hit like, subscribe and get notified. Beaches to visit in Thailand. At number 5. Koh Tao Beach is a 1.5 kilometers strip of golden sand and is considered one of the most popular beaches in Phuket due to its combination of beauty, facilities, and activities. Hundreds of people come each day to soak up the sun and swim in the sea. Often busy but never crowded, this beach is pleasing in many ways. Surfing in Koh Tao Beach. For many, the southern and central parts of the beach offer the best surfing in Phuket, which is why Koh Tao Beach can get rather busy at times, even in the low season. The waves are fast but manageable and at times can really buck high at the sandbar. At number 4. Phra Nang Beach is just the type of beach you would want to relax in when you want to get away from the crowd. A stone's throw away from the islands of Koh Rang Nok and Kai Nai, Phra Nang Beach is set against a backdrop of picturesque limestone cliffs and offers a stunning view of Krabi. The Phra Nang Beach is flanked by emerald seas on all sides. The 450-meter stretch of the beach will let you soak up the sun, as you relax on its soft white sandy beach overlooking its calm, shallow waters. Phra Nang Beach has a multitude of thrilling activities that you can enjoy, like rock climbing, snorkeling, and exploring caves that are visited by locals and travelers alike. At number 3. Railay Beach is, in fact, a small peninsula which counts 4 beaches. Now on every savvy traveler's list, Railay is nevertheless one of Thailand's most sought-after beach areas. Just south of Ao Nang Beach, around a rocky headland and accessible only by boat, Railay presents a tranquil and extraordinary world. In just one small peninsula you'll find gorgeous white sand beaches, soaring limestone cliffs, viewpoints, caves and a lagoon hidden inside the cliffs, shaped and fed by the changing tides. All within walking distance. At number 2. Donald Duck Bay is beautifully photogenic bay located at the northern end of Similan Island number 8. It is complete with pristine beach and unique rock formation that is relatively easy to climb. The dive site is named after a huge strange-shaped rock on the western side of the bay that, not surprisingly, looks like the cartoon character Donald Duck's head. It is actually next near to the bizarre boulder that balances precariously at a seemingly impossible angle, known as Sail Rock. In fact, it is from here that the classic Similan photos of white sand and crystal blue waters are taken. And at number 1. The Phi Phi Islands are some of the loveliest in Southeast Asia. Just a 45-minute speedboat trip or a 90-minute ferry boat ride from either Phuket or Krabi, these picture postcard islands offer the ultimate tropical getaway. Featuring classic tropical beaches, stunning rock formations and vivid turquoise waters teeming with colorful marine life, it is paradise perfected. The larger of the Phi Phi Islands are ringed by beautiful beaches and private bays, and are surrounded by the various smaller islands in the famous archipelago. Above the azure seas, you have striking limestone cliffs, white sands, and nodding palms. Below them, colorful coral reefs and vibrant sea life. There are very few man-made attractions on the Phi Phi Islands. It's mostly all about the natural beauty of this amazing part of the world.